Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations at my back door where I temporarily mounted my Noorio camera. This thing runs in full 1080p. It is a fantastic security camera that has 8 gigs, 8 gigs of memory on both cloud and locally between the two. This thing is absolutely fantastic, full color night vision, and it is one of the best security cameras that I've had the chance to check out in a very long time. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So first, let me go ahead and sing the praises of this fantastic security camera, and stick around because at the end of the video we'll show you all the mounting brackets, everything that this thing has up close and personal, so you get a very good analysis of all the details. Very long, strong battery that's going to last a long time, rechargeable, 1080p, that big memory, everything about it. But for me, the praises come in the security. I mounted this out the back door, and you can see over here, we've got a nice big lot with a lake. Well, apparently, some guy decided he was gonna pass out. He was gonna come to our lake, walk through, and pass out. Didn't know that he would be there, wouldn't expect somebody to come to my lake and pass out on my lawn, but he did. This thing was able to notify me, because we can set up zones, and we can have it notify us if somebody's moving, something's in that zone, if there's a person there. That makes a world of difference, and it made me feel safer and more secure. Can you imagine if I just went out there and found this guy who was passed out for not very good reasons, who was shirtless for not good reasons, and just found him on my own? I'm glad I was notified on my phone with the downloadable app that's in the App Store. We'll show you some overlays. So what can I tell you also about this? I mean, obviously the security, the two-way audio, the full color LED night vision. This makes you feel safer, and you're getting those notifications. Even if you're gone, you know who's in your yard, and you're able to ask them to leave. Also, this has great mounting technology. In this case, I've got the magnetic back. It also has the screw-on bolt there, but you just put the 2 screws to whatever surface you want, and this thing can point the area, the angle, the way you want it to, and that gives you a lot of options. A big selling point as well, you know, I don't have, like, my back door here doesn't have a power outlet. There would have been no way for me to see the backyard if I had to power it. This, having a big battery and being able to run off of recharging USB-C pretty much once a year, this makes a world of difference for me. So if you're looking to improve your security, this is the camera for you. This is a great camera that's going to increase the security of your household, of your life, and make you and the family feel more secure. So, a great camera. Hopefully we've showed you a few overlays of the actual app. Hopefully we've showed you some overlays of the actual recordings and things. But this is a great camera that you're gonna wanna go ahead and pick up. All right, folks, my name's Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products we love. Stick around because I've got the up-close portion of the video where we show you all the product up close and all the details. Noorio makes a great camera, and you're absolutely gonna love it. All right, stick around. All right, folks, now we can take a look at the up-close portion of the video. This is the Noorio Spotlight Cam. It's a battery-powered spotlight camera, and it is pretty neat. You can have magnetic mounting. Put this portion onto pretty much any area using screws that come with it, and then you can essentially mount the camera anywhere using the magnet, okay? So really fantastic there. Obviously, most likely put it in the back wherever you want it, but that's pretty exciting. It also, you can mount it using this set here, screw it in, and again, your mounting screws in the back that just twist off. So, Noorio, Noorio, what makes this fantastic? Well, first and foremost, it is a 1080p camera. So that's gonna be fantastic. That's full HD. You get 180 days of battery life. You get your activity zone, so you can set a section like if something's moving around close to your house, you will know about it. IP66 weather resistant, which means that this thing is good pretty much. There's a tropical storm, you're not gonna have to worry about it. Two-way audio is gonna come in handy. I used it the other day. The FedEx guy was here, he wanted a signature. I told him I wasn't able to come to the door, could he leave the package? And he did. It has Wi-Fi connection, thanks to the Noorio app. You can set up fencing, again, where it is just basically an activity zone or a zone where you're looking to watch for activity. You get the little light there, LED light. Local storage and cloud storage of 8 gigabytes. That's a lot of storage for video. Color night vision. Not all of these have color night vision. They get all that green and black stuff. And it is 100% wire-free. So if you're looking for a great product, go ahead and pick it up. It does charge with USB, which is included. And you can see the USB just goes right here. Tighten her down. And you've got a great little camera. It's actually got a huge battery in it. It does come with all the screws you need for mounting. But the thing I like most indeed, take this off here, is the magnetic mount that this thing has. Go ahead and take off the screw-on mount. But look at that. This thing is going to mount beautifully, basically to any metal, pretty much to any surface you put it in, and then it uses magnet to stick to the back of the camera. So, go ahead and pick it up. The app is available in your app store. And yeah, folks, you're absolutely going to love this Noorio, Noorio, security camera. Again, a whopping 8 gigabytes of cloud and local storage. 1080p, that's full HD. The Wi-Fi connection. And this is just a nice camera that you can put just about anywhere. So if you're looking for something that is waterproof, something with great night vision, something that will detect movement, something that will notify you on your phone if things go awry. You can even schedule different time frames to record. There's so much on this. The app is very intuitive. And with the app, you just, when you first get this, you open up the book. In the book is a QR code. You scan that. It connects immediately to your phone, and you're good to go. It's not a complex setup. It's pretty straightforward. Got 2 screws, goes in the back. You can put it on the wall, or 2 screws, put it on the wall, and magnet.